Hi, this is me, Amal from Vivian Hair Design. As you see, I have here a new lady. Her name is
Judith.
Judith from England, and she don't like this hairstyle. She have very long hair and very different, not really fashionable. She like to have it fashion. This side is very long and here is short. She can manage it. You can manage the style, no?
No, I want it more sassy.
More style, yeah. And she like fashion style, easy, simple haircut. She don't want to do like too much work with it, so she like to have it easy. So as you see, this is her style, and we're gonna come back later. We're gonna change her totally to nice, lovely, short, pixie, sexy style.
Yeah,
yes.
Looking forward to it.
Thank you very much. Bye
Bye.
I think now we are online. Yes.
Yeah.
Hi, this is me, Amal from the Hair Design Spain. As you see, I have here with me again
It's Judith.
Judith from England. Yeah, as you see, we show you before what she had, different hairstyle. I'm gonna just turn a little bit the chair to show you what I did here with her hair. I part the hair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna try to razor the hair from here, cut on the hair from short to long. We will take all this hair from here and then we go up there. Yes. So we're gonna start to work with the razor. Yes. And we start to do that, yeah.
Well, I'm very excited.
Yeah, and she's very excited, exactly.
Because I'm going out tonight.
And she want to show it to her friend.
Yeah, and get the compliments, yeah?
Thank you very much. And she's first time here. That's really nice. So she trusts me totally for new, lovely, nice style.
And you never know whose eye I might catch tonight.
Wow! A nice, lovely man. His faders.
A Spaniard, yeah. All my friends used to say in England, I know you're going to meet a Spaniard.
Really?
Yeah. Who knows?
You never know. One thing is sure, God loves you. He will never let you too long alone, okay? He will give you somebody nice and lovely. Sometimes friends are enough, actually. You don't even need a boyfriend.
No, that's true. I'm beginning to think that.
Just turn your chair a little bit like
I've been let down before.
Yeah. And raising the hair from here till down. Give it a movement and down because she has too much crown here and the crown is going down. So it makes the hair straight. So it's getting this effect down. So I'm taking the hair, just raising it from inside, moving it to outside. So taking from the neck 1 centimeter and raising the hair inside to give a movement and down the hair. As you see, we have a lovely, nice shape, very nice, easy. Now we go here. Here we had a big problem because they cut it very long for her. But as you see, when I'm coming in, trying to go there, but this is going out. So we're gonna close 2 lines together. You see, we're gonna close them together, these lines. So what I'm gonna do is here, this 2 lines together. So we don't take nothing from the upline because it was already short. It was already short, so 1 second please, we're gonna come back. Okay, sorry for that, and we are now back again for what I showed you. Like what we did is just trying to close these 2 lines together, and then we close it together. Now as you see, this is the effect from that. So we're gonna cut just a little bit inside, make it spring and going down because your hair is growing to the opposite side. So we push the hair to come down. So very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you.
This is very interesting. Very
Please
interesting.
hold this, yeah. Let me turn your chair. See, if you see, that's.
Oh yeah, already.
You see, it's
Yeah,
going down.
nice
So we
one.
need to leave it long here more, so
Yeah.
you get more that effect. If you turn this side, you see, easy, lovely, nice, and it's
Yeah.
going down.
Yeah.
So as you see, we left this one We left this one as long as we can.
Oh, I see. Yes, I
And then
understand.
we
Yeah.
without doing nothing. Now we're gonna start in the side.
Someone told me I've got a flat head at the back.
Yeah.
It goes up, then goes flat. So you've got to cut it to give it the shape.
Exactly.
Correct?
Yes, that's true. That's true. But why you have flat? Why they told you that? Like, well, you know, they say sometimes you get that because you are different. You know.
Yeah, special.
special.
Very special. I mean, fancy the hairdresser saying that to me. You got a flat head, I thought. Oh,
I think
charming.
that is, she can say that, but she needs to do the solution. That's the thing.
Yes,
We
exactly.
can say everything about customers, but we need to do the solution. That's very important.
That's very
What I'm
important.
doing now, I'm cutting just a little bit nice and easy for you. So, unfortunately, we don't have time to color it today, so we're gonna color it next time.
Yeah.
Yes, so we will see next time she will come back again with it.
I will come back.
Yeah, and what I'm doing.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
So what we're gonna do now is like just closing these two lines together, easy and simple. What we need, it was this line was very long, so what we are doing, we are cutting it inside, just to make it and push the hair down. Very easy to lock the hair up. Very simple. As you see, it's very nice going down. How do you feel? First time in Vivian hair design?
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's
Very interesting.
And all the world gonna see you. Julie. That's
wow.
really nice.
Yeah. Famous at last.
If there's any nice, beautiful men who want to have a
Yeah,
haircut,
yeah.
they're gonna send you
I'm
messages.
here, baby.
Yeah.
You ladies know anybody? You point them in my direction.
You never know. This is small world. Yes.
Yeah.
See here and
You
here.
have to be careful what I'm saying then.
Oh, beautiful man will come to you. You like George Clooney? Or
Oh, I think he's fantastic. There's not many men, you know, that turn me on, but he's lovely.
You don't like Brad Pitt?
No, not really. Don't watch a lot of films, but you won't know him probably. Martin Shaw.
No, to
No.
be honest. It's English, right?
Yeah, and it's done Judge Dredd on television. Very handsome. He's older now, of course, but I think sometimes the older they go, the more handsome some men.
That's true.
When-
They say men, when they become older, they become only beautiful.
When they become,
Ladies is the opposite.
you know, when they become silver-haired,
Yeah.
silver foxes,
Yeah.
I think that's nice.
But here in Spain, there's enough old men. They are really enough. Okay. What we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you something very important. We're gonna cut the style here, very short to long. So before we do that, we need to cut the up part because we had a big problem here. The hair is growing to the front. So we're gonna cut this one on the opposite side. It's very heavy here and it's growing to the front. So just a little bit here. Changing you to 51.
I wish.
So what did you do for job?
I think my daughter's the same age as you. Were you born in 1973?
No, about 71.
71.
Your daughter, actually, she's still young.
73.
See, what's happening now? We are getting that difficult. See, very nice. Now, the fringe is a little bit too long. We want to make it very fashionable.
Yeah.
And very attractive. So the only thing we need to do is cut this line here short, very short. So easy and simple. So putting the clip inside, and after the haircut, we're going to try to show you how to style this hair just with your hand. You See, this is the result. Can you see? It's really nice, beautiful, and it's fashion nice. Yeah. If you hold this, please, let me turn the chair. So, do you see that style?
Yes.
And it is wet, so you can put some finishing spray in the hair and drink your coffee or tea in the sun, and it will be dry like that.
Yeah.
You don't even
right.
That's what
Fantastic.
actually everybody do in Spain. Just see, the style is like that. You don't need to do nothing, and it stay. I didn't look right now. But now we're gonna style it with hand, so to show everybody how to style this hair.
Yeah.
Nice and easy. How do you feel? See your face.
Nice,
so
I like it
beautiful,
already.
your
I
eyes.
like it already.
Yes.
I'm quite good at doing my own as well, so
That's
once
really
you've shown
important
me.
also, exactly, yeah. I will show you now how easy it is even to style it now, because you don't need to do that. The basic hair of the top.
It's all in the cut, you see.
Exactly, that's true. So, okay, what we need to do is just put a little bit finish spray in your roots.
Okay.
Not everywhere, because you don't really need it. Just here, and that's all what you need. Take your blow dryer and just blow dry it the way you want to blow
What is
dry
it?
Just dry the hair.
Yeah, big blow dry, but I don't want to put the hot brush on every day. I'm not worried. I'm trusting you.
Just draw. It will stand perfect. Because actually the magic is in the hair part.
Pardon?
The magic is in the hair part.
Yeah.
I like just 5 minutes, so it's the haircut.
Yeah.
The way you cut the hair. It stays perfect. Very, very nice. Now we're gonna do the finishing touch. Last finishing touch, just make it perfectly here. So cut the hair, twist.
A lot lighter.
Lighter, exactly, lighter, very attractive style. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna control this line, perfect, everything perfect. And I can put it inside to make it. See what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some just little bit spray in the hair. Before we do that, we're gonna get inside to make it perfect. I want to get just a little bit smooth, you see? Because you have very straight hair.
Yes.
Perfectly smooth, beautiful. Because you don't go dry, you need to make it perfectly smooth. So without doing nothing, your hair is perfect. Last finishing touch is just okay.
into that a bit more?
We will do that.
Let's slap there.
I'm not finished with this skirt.
Okay, darling.
So we finished this one inside cut. Now we're gonna go there. Inside cut is really important to make it more modern style. Yeah, lovely. Now, okay, we're gonna put just a little bit hair lacquer.
Yeah.
All the same finishes the hair will use. So just put a little bit in the hair.
Oh, so you can use that after as well as before.
Oh,
that's good.
So let me show you now what we are doing. Just easy and simple. Wow. Oh, lovely things. But unfortunately, we didn't have time for color. Otherwise, it will be completely. Anyways, we're gonna come for next video for the color.
Yeah.
When we color nice, lovely style. This is really nice. Beautiful. Easy and simple. So, how do you feel?
Yeah, it's good. Suits me.
What
It's
did it do?
different, isn't it?
It's totally different than what he had because this is easy, simple, and you didn't even blow dry the hair. Very nice, beautiful. So now we're gonna show it to everybody there in the world.
Right,
Okay. Okay, let me show it to you. Okay, so Judith, how do you feel?
I feel great.
Yes, let me
I
show
like
it to
it very much.
Thank you, thank you. Let me show it to the people.
And I think it's going to be easy to manage.
Very easy to manage, very lovely. Yes, you see here you have beautiful, nice fashion style, easy and simple to wear. Yes, you see, this is a lovely hairstyle, easy, and you didn't even blow dry the hair. That was really nice. So without blow drying, just you're styling your hair in just 5 minutes, no more. That's really nice. So we have here Judith. She was first time in Vivian Hair Design. She never been here, so she tried us today for first, and she's model. So what do you think about your hair? Do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
I think it's very good. I like the cut. I like this salon. I like the girl. And you should come here yourself.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. We say bye-bye to everybody. Bye-bye.